Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to auto-populate the serial number. Here we have a dataset with two columns. The first is serial number and the second column is student name. Now, we want to auto-populate the serial number whenever there is a student name in column B. Let's start and learn how to do that. Let's go to A2 cell and type is equal to row open bracket and close bracket. So basically what row formula does is it will tell you what is the row number. If I hit enter, I get number 2, which means this is the second row in the worksheet. If you want to cross check, you can cross check with this. Let me drag down the formula. Now if you notice whether there is a name in column B or not, the serial number is getting calculated. But there is one problem. It is starting from number 2, which ideally should have been started from number 1. Correct? So how to correct that now is go to your formula bar, type minus, again type row, open bracket. Now select cell A1, close bracket, hit enter. Now you get the serial number as 1. One small fix you have to do is you have to freeze the A1 cell. The reason being, if you don't freeze it, whenever you drag a formula, the reference would change. We don't want to happen that, right? So that is the reason we are freezing A1 by pressing F4. Hit enter. Now formula is ready. Let me drag it again. Now you have number starting from 1 till 9. But the problem is not yet solved, isn't it? We are getting the serial number even if there is no student name in column B, right? How to fix that? For that, go back to your formula again, then just after equals to sign, type if, open bracket. Now it prompts for a logical test. What is our logical test? If column B is blank, then the serial number should not get calculated. So to identify whether the cells in column B are blank or non-blank, we are going to use ISBLANK formula. Let's type it, ISBLANK, then open bracket, click B2 and close bracket, hit comma, value if true, which means if B2 cell is blank, then what should it give? It should not give anything. It should be shown as a blank cell, correct? So just type double inverted commas twice and type comma again. Go to the extreme end of the formula, close the bracket, hit enter. Now if you notice, for cell A2, we are still getting serial number 1. But the magic happens when you drag down the formula. If I drag down the formula till A10, so if there is no name in the cell in column B, then serial number will not get populated. If you enter student name, let's say Pramod, then the serial number will auto-populate. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like the content of the video, hit like button, share the videos as much as possible and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, happy learning!